Hi my friends! I have created this video especially for you and your parents to let them learn how many Thomases there are and all their names. So, let's begin! Here I have quite an ordinary Trackmaster Thomas produced back in 2014. Next one in line is Crash and Repair Thomas. Oh, that's what he can do! Now, I'm moving to Turbo Thomas from Turbo Jungle Jump Set. Wow! Just take a look at what a crazy speed he can gain! But the speed is not always the most important thing. Okay, here I have Revolution RC Thomas. It's easy to launch him from not cozy places. And right now, you see real Steam Thomas from Fill Up Firehouse set. Wow, look at this real steam! Whoa, that's Thomas and Ace! One day, these two pals managed to push a whole lot of trucks up to the ramp. And the next one is called Steam and Spark Thomas from Really Useful Engine Pack. This engine's name is Speed and Spark Thomas. Wow, look at his sparkling wheels! Now is coming the Seaweed Covered Thomas. Once upon a time, he very skillfully caught the treasure chest. The following one is the Cold Dust Thomas from 2-in-1 Destination set. And now, coming next is the Surprise Thomas with Debris from Twisting Tornado set. Here you can see Thomas and the jet engine. Back in the time, he managed to gain just incredible speed thanks to his jet. Now, coming up the fully covered with gold coins, Treasure Thomas. Over here, please welcome Winged Thomas with Annie and Clarabelle. Woo, like a real airplane! The next one is the Streamline Thomas. In one of the competitions, he demonstrated just an unbelievable jump. After that, let's have a look at the Search and Rescue Thomas. Sometimes he helps the search and rescue team. And now, all eyes on the Globe Thomas from Around the World 3-pack. Oh, and here let me present you Blue Team Thomas with his fans, Annie and Clarabelle. During one of the football challenges, he scored a magnificent goal. Upcoming now is the Steelworks Thomas, right from the Steelworks. Following him is the Trophy Thomas. This cup is often given to the competition winners. Leaves and moss-covered Thomas from Scrapyard Escape Set. Some time ago, this Thomas became the winner of the racing challenge among Thomases. Now, let's look at the Dirt Splatter Thomas from Daring Derail Train Set. And over here we have Seagull Covered Thomas from Boat and Sea Set. Wow, this must be Armor Thomas with Darcy. Two of them are very good at cleaning the way. And now, give it up to Monkey Mania Thomas. And the next one is also with monkeys. Tropical Wildfire Decorated Thomas from Monkey Palace Set. Now, welcome Ice Covered Thomas. In one of the competitions, when James was having some troubles, thanks to the super fast travel of Thomas, their team managed to win the whole challenge. Go, Thomas, go! Go, Thomas, go! Good job! Coming next is the Fireball Decorated Thomas from Dragon Escape Set. Let us all look at the Construction Thomas. Oh, what an impressive paintwork! Wow, now you can see wood debris covered Thomas from Demolition at the Dock Set. And finally, the last for today, Old Track Master Thomas, that is actually the most... Hi kids! Welcome to the Great Racing Challenge. In this event, you will have a lot of fun and pleasure. In this challenge, there will be 8 engines competing against each other. Which engine will you root for? Which one of them will get the cup? Oh, and you know what? There will be fire dragons and mischievous monkeys all along the way of the engines. All aboard! Ooh, ooh! Monkey Mania Thomas and Etienne will first define who is faster. And a couple of mischievous monkeys decided to have a ride together with them. Hopefully, the monkeys will make no problems for the engines. You just look how confidently Thomas is approaching the finish. Etienne is a quite fast engine, but Thomas is taking the lead now. And... yay! Thomas is first and he's qualifying to the semi-final. In the next round, we see Spencer and Little Luke. Oh, the dragons! We all know Spencer is carrying Express, but since there are many ups and downs on the track, it will not be easy for him to develop a high speed. So, what are we seeing? Little Luke is getting some decent speed, approaching the finish, and yay! Luke is winning the round. Congratulations! Charlie and Timothy are our next contenders. Let's see what they can show us today. Come on, engines, do your best! Timothy is shooting ahead and Charlie... Oh, Charlie needs our help. Come on, brace yourself, Charlie. Try to catch up with Timothy. Oh, Timothy is already very far. He's approaching the finish and... Yay! Timothy is crossing the finish line first and gets to the semi-final. And now, Toby and Victor will determine which one of them will become the fourth semi-finalist of our competition. Victor is trying his best to gain the maximum speed along this twisting and full of ascents and descents track. Oh, and where is Toby? Aha! Toby has already gone ahead a little bit. And now there's a real struggle between him and Victor for the victory in this round. For just a split of a second, Toby has managed to outrun Victor and become the fourth semi-finalist. And now, Thomas and Luke will figure out which one of them will get to the final. Put your likes and leave your comments as to whom you're rooting for in this exciting challenge. Excellent! Thomas is the first one who successfully passed by the monkey point. So, Thomas is ahead. No, Luke! Thomas again! Luke! Thomas! Oh man, it's so confusing! And here's the finish! Thomas is in the final. What an intense race it was! Toby and Timothy! Who will become Thomas's opponent in the final? Let's find this out. From Timothy's face, we can see he's definitely set for the victory. He's trying his best to shorten the distance. Come on, Timothy, come on! You're doing great! You're catching up! And here's the final straight. The engines are doing all they can to cross the finish line. And Toby is successfully doing it first. So, now we have two finalists, Thomas and Toby. In just several instants, we'll find out who's gonna get the cup. Wow, look! Thomas is getting an incredible speed. He's definitely here for the victory. Oh, the monkey caught on the liana and Thomas cannot go any further. Toby is using this advantage and heading for the checkpoint. Such a misfortune for Thomas. Ay, ay, ay. Toby's approaching the finish and successfully crossing the line. Congratulations, Toby! Today the cup is yours. Hello, my friends! Gina and Lorenzo versus Racing Percy and Streamline Thomas. Welcome to the friendly competition between the two teams. All aboard! Ooh, ooh! In the beginning, we're going to have a competition on agility and teamwork. To organize this contest, I'm using the treasure chase set. One of the team members will have to scare Skip so that he throws away the treasure chest. The chest needs to be landed exactly on another member's platform. Yeah, just like that. The engine scaring Skip will be entering from this side. Excellent. Last descent. Railways. Rail switch. Right. And the starting point. Here we go. Percy and Thomas will first try to catch the chest. Attention! Yay! They did it! Good teamwork, engines! That was impressive! Gina now will be catching the chest and Lorenzo scaring Skiff. Wow! They almost made it! It was so close! Nice try, guys! And right now we will try to find out which of the teams is faster. To do that, we will have to build one more track. And for this, I will use the railway race set. This set has one very unique part, the bridge which bursts apart. It makes way for the speeding engines. Now I will assemble it and show you how it works. Setting up. Wow, that is spectacular! Alright, let's connect all this stuff together and I will keep on assembling the track. And with the help of these rail switches, the engines will be swapping around. The one that started along the green rail will finish on the blue one and vice versa. This segment can bend using joints, so I will install it on the risers with waving flags. Great! The track is ready! And the racing challenge is beginning! Lorenzo and Percy will be the first ones to figure out which one of them is faster. Whoa, whoa! Percy's having some troubles in here. And eventually he is derailing. Such a pity. Well, in this round, Lorenzo got the victory. Now, Streamline Thomas versus Gina. Oh, you just take a look at that! Thomas is stuck! Woo! Gina made it past Thomas and won the round! Let's cheer Thomas up, sometimes it happens. Don't get upset, Thomas, next time it will be better. And now it's time to check shunting skills. But again, first we need to build a track for that. I will have to find some rails and of course my favorite risers. So, I'm beginning. Hey, just check out how fast I am. And here is what I've got. Excellent! Now, my friends, it's necessary to install the spiral on the risers. Yeah, I've got a lot of them. And of course, it should not be forgotten to check each connection stability. To get on top of the spiral, I will attach the starting point here. And to get down, I will install the descent. And I will make it a little curvy so that the engines and trucks do not gain too high of a speed. So, I have everything ready, and the only thing that is left is installing the trucks. Here we go! And now the competition can be started. Lorenzo decided to perform first and demonstrate us his shunting skills. Wow, so many trucks are pushed at the same time. Come on, Lorenzo, come on, push it! Oh, but don't forget to be careful. Wow, as many as 4 trucks are carried to the very top by Lorenzo. Well done, buddy! Now, let's see if Thomas can show us a better result. Good luck to you, Thomas! Whoa, whoa, easy, buddy, easy! The trucks are falling off one by one. Well, Thomas has brought up 3 trucks on the top. 1 fewer than Lorenzo, but still it's also a good result. And finally, we will identify which team is more powerful with the help of the Tug-of-war challenge. But of course, to start with, we have to build a suitable track. To do that, I will take 2 long rails. And for sure, I will also install the checkered flag system at the end of each rail. Here we go! Everything's ready! Let's get started! Thomas and Gina started moving in different directions on full steam. Come on, Thomas! Full steam ahead! Wow! That's incredible how Gina is powerful! Now, it's turn for Percy and Lorenzo. Come on, guys, show us all your power. Oh, whoa, it seems like a little Percy. A little more? Lorenzo is not giving up. Yay! Percy eventually is winning in this contest. Wow, that was cool! My friends, I invite you all to the community tab to discuss together which of the teams performed better in this friendly competition. Please subscribe, there will be more exciting videos. And thank you for watching. Goodbye!